if you are like me and you love shawarma so much, then I think you have to watch this video till the end. So I'm gonna use 4 slices of bread, cut out the edges, and then use a rolling pin to roll it. I'm going to add my mayonnaise. If you want to know how I make this mayonnaise, check out my previous videos. Spread the mayonnaise on the bread and add my shredded chicken. And then I'm going to go in with cabbage and onions and some suya pepper because I'm Nigerian. Yeah, and then I'm going to add some mayonnaise just because I love this mayonnaise, guys. You have to try it. Wrap it up in foil paper and then heat it in the oven for like 5 minutes, and then you have your bread warma or whatever you wanna call it. I'm going to enjoy mine with this frog that I love so much. I'm so obsessed. It's so good. Let me know if you're going to try this and what you think about it in the comment section. Bye.